Hi, I'm Dimple. Welcome to my joyful journey. Today I'm going to show whole chicken roast. Come, let's go to kitchen and prepare it. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Keep watching my videos. Come. I have taken 1 kg whole chicken from tender chicken, skin out. Wash it properly. Then you need to marinate this. Before that, hold the leg and put toothpick. Now take a knife. Cut it like this so that masala goes inside. Masala time. Kashmiri red chili gives natural color. 3 teaspoons. 1 teaspoon pepper powder. Turmeric powder 1 teaspoon. Salt 1.5 teaspoon. Jeera powder 1 teaspoon. Ginger garlic paste 2 teaspoons. It's going to empty. Only so much you get. Kebab powder 1.5 teaspoon. Add lemon juice 2 teaspoons. Coconut oil 1 tablespoon. Now you mix this well. If you want, you can add little water. So I'm going to add little water. Enough. Now you can apply to chicken. Add this. Apply it to whole body. Turn it. I forgot to cut here, so let me cut. Now add masala inside. You should cover the masala everywhere. It's done. Now let it rest for 2 hours in fridge. I'm going to close the lid and keep it in refrigerator. I kept it for 2 hours. You can keep 1 hour. Now keep on big cooker. Add oil. Oil should be more. Can I see? Now slowly keep the chicken inside. Close the lid. Only 1 whistle is enough. Now you need to take it out. Add oil to non-stick pan. You have to take little bigger one, kadai. Oil also. You should wait until it heat well, or else the masala coating of chicken goes off in oil. Until that, you can make the masala: a tamarind juice, onion, 2 onions, badge red chili 2, garlic 10 flakes, little curry leaves and ginger. You can take normal chili, green chili, have taken bird eye chili. Grind it now. Let it roast in full flame. Our tamarind juice. Enough. Let me turn it. Let it fry in full flame. It's done. Turn it off. Take it out. For the same kadai, add oil. Added the same oil. Add curry leaves. Now add blended masala. Add Kashmiri red chili powder. Add 1 teaspoon sugar, it gives a unique taste. Salt, 1 teaspoon. Mix it well. Let it fry in low flame. Add coriander leaves. I'll make the masala side. Add chicken now. Chicken. Now mix masala on this. Apply slowly. My mouth is watering. I'm going to turn it. Yay! It's done. Now let me put it in serving bowl. Hope you all like this. It's done. Whole chicken roast. Let me cut it. First you remove the toothpick. Let me check. Can you see? Roasted well. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Keep watching my videos. Bye bye.